The quality of the unit installation will directly affect the performance, reliability and service life of the engine. So, during the installation, what should we pay attention to? First, the computer room. The installation environment should be flat and clean, and unobstructed around, and avoid stacking unrelated items. Sufficient space should be reserved around the unit. The distance between the rear end and the rear wall should be over 2 meters. The distance between the front and the front wall is recommended to be more than 1.2 meters. The distance between the side and the side wall is recommended to be more than 1 meter for easy maintenance. The distance between the operation surface of the control cabinet and the wall should be more than 1.8 meters to facilitate the operator to operate the control panel. Second, the cooling system. The installation site should have good ventilation. The inlet and outlet air should be at both ends of the room to avoid hot air recirculation and overheating of the unit. The generator end should ensure sufficient air inlets, and the air outlet should also be guaranteed to be more than 1.5 times the water tank area to ensure sufficient air enters. To ensure output power and cooling when the unit is running, do not block the air vents. Third, the exhaust system. The smoke exhaust port should be in the same direction. The muffler should be suspended by a hanger, be firmly suspended from the upper part of the room, or supported by ground brackets, and connected with corrugated pipes to eliminate the stress on the turbocharger. To ensure the exhaust pipe is unobstructed, there should not be too many elbows. In addition, to prevent rainwater from entering the pipe, the pipeline should be slightly tilted outward, and use a slanted cut or rainproof cap at the outlet. Fourth, the fuel system. The fuel tank should be located properly when exceeding the specified height and distance. A 2-stage fuel tank is required. Meanwhile, the fuel pipe should be made of suitable materials, ensuring the smooth flow of fuel. The above shares the installation method of the engine set. I hope it can help you all.